Are you tired of finding the same few options of bread available in the market? And now you are craving for something fresh and new to treat your taste buds. Well, I was struggling with the same problem until my friend told me about Kent's Atta and Bread Maker. So here we are with this amazing product. Come, let's see what we have got inside. So this Kent Atta and Bread Maker comes with quality stainless steel body. It comes with a measuring cup for measuring the ingredients like flour, water, etc. Then we have got this measuring spoon to measure the quantities of sugar, salt and yeast. Then we have got this kneading panel remover to remove the hot bread pan. Then we have got this kneading paddle. It mixes the dough. Then comes our bread pan, in which we add all the ingredients necessary for baking or kneading dough or any other recipe. Lastly, we have got this instruction manual that gives you all the details about the product and recipes for all the preset menus. This comes with 19 preset menus. It not only makes homemade fresh bread, but it kneads atta dough, it bakes cake, makes jam and so much more. The buttons you see below them lets you choose the preset menu, weight, timing, crust color of your choice, and this button for start, stop and pause. The digital display allows you to see your chosen settings with ease. Press start button after selecting your desired settings. Its bread pan is very easy to remove. Just turn it anti-clockwise and here you're good to go. And now the kneading paddle. You need to put it in the middle of the bread pan like this and then put it back into the machine. So let's see how easily it works. So today I'm going to make 500 grams of basic bread, for which I'll add 180 ml of water, 1 spoon salt, 2 spoons sugar, 2 scoops of oil, 300 grams of refined flour and 1 spoon of yeast, which is readily available in the market. Press 1 for basic bread, select 500 grams for weight, choose the color of the crust you want and press start. I have selected the preset option for basic bread. Here, it will knead the dough for 25 to 30 minutes. Then it will ferment the dough for 90 minutes and another 60 minutes for baking it. So all in all, your bread will be ready in about 3 hours. Just a minute left and the aroma of this fresh bread is making me so impatient. So here we have this homemade, super soft fresh bread. This is so amazing. You'll forget those store-bought white, brown and multigrain bread. Now let's see how it works for kneading atta dough. So far you have been kneading atta dough by hand, which might not be the most hygienic way. But now you can do so without touching. What you need to do is add 330 ml of water, salt as per your choice, half scoop of oil and 3.5 cups of atta. And select your preset menu. The quantity of water can be adjusted if you use less flour. And your dough is ready in just 7 minutes. So put on your chef cap and with its 19 preset menus, you can make a variety of bread such as basic bread, sweet bread, French bread, whole wheat bread, gluten-free bread, dry fruit bread and other items like pizza dough, knead chapati or puri atta, bake cake, make jam, etc. Looks like it's an advanced product with super easy operations. I am definitely going to try a new recipe almost every day. And if you do not want to miss out these whole lot of options, then get your Kent Atta and Bread Maker now.